Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to Hey Rosetta, and we are going to react to the song O Come Emmanuel. This is a special request. It is requested by our family member. This would be my first time listening to this song.
Mine too. Hey Rosetta, I think it's the first time I'm listening to this artist or band. First time in my life. Hey Rosetta, O Come Emmanuel. Yeah, let's get started with this special request during Advent. Advent is almost over and Christmas is around the corner. Merry Christmas and happy holidays to all of you, and hope you're having a good time with your loved ones and close friends this Christmas. It's a very, very special Christmas for each and every single one of us all over the world. I hope and wish you similar joy, love, peace, serenity and bliss this Christmas season. Let's get started.
O come, Emmanuel, and ransom captive Israel that mourns in lowly exile here, until the Son of God appeared. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to thee, O Israel. O come thou rod of Jesse free, thine own from Satan's tyranny, from the death of hell thy people save. Give them victory o'er the grave. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to thee, O Israel.
Wow, this was beautiful.
Yeah,
So
this is
beautiful.
intense. Yeah.
Yeah.
I like the music. I like the way the song goes. I like the vocals, especially. It's got a very clear, very powerful, very how do I put, very direct kind of vocals, and the music too was very well arranged, very well lined up. I like the drums. Sometimes there were good, good drumming there, good guitaring, and everything else too. The violin, everything else had a space in one song.
Yeah, a lot of music in this
Yeah.
one. A lot of music, a lot of diversity.
While the vocalist still shines.
As well as arranged so beautifully, despite so many instruments being part of it. And I love when the vocals were allowed to shine, with just the drums. For a brief moment that was there, it was impeccably arranged. It was really good to listen to O Come, Emmanuel. It is one of the finest years of all our lives, 2020, a year that we'll all remember for eternity. And for all the right reasons, because it's a year where all of us have got a lot more quality time to spend with our family members, with our loved ones, with our close friends, online as well as at home. We've had ample opportunity and lots of free time on our hands this year, and it's just wonderful how this year has panned out for most of us. Amazing, beautiful. And I remember all these memories while I was growing up. We would all be making Christmas sweets. It's like part of our Christmas tradition in the De Silva home. So every year, maybe 5 days, sometimes 10 days, sometimes even 12 to 15 days before Christmas actually arrives, that is the 25th of December. The first week of December is over and we are already shopping for all the ingredients required for sweets.
Yeah.
Mainly for sweets and also for some snacks, because so many guests will be coming to our home. So we would start the preparation of all the sweets, and those were some of my best memories while growing up of making sweets as well as eating those sweets.
I know.
So lots of varieties, My mom was an excellent cook, and she really ran a really good, making very, very good sweets. So we would have a fabulous Christmas and fabulous food every single festival, not just Christmas, but even Easter, New Year's Day, and so many other birthdays and other occasions in our family. Those were the memories I remember from my childhood, making the Christmas sweets and then distributing them to close friends who couldn't make it, or relatives. And then, of course, so many people coming home and enjoying those sweets with us, enjoying food with us, talking, discussing Christmas, and yeah, those are good times. So, O come, Emmanuel, we are all waiting. We're all eagerly waiting for this Christmas. This is going to be perhaps the most important Christmas in a long, long time, because many of us around the world are realizing the importance of God in our lives once again.
Yeah.
Many who have turned away, many who have forgotten the importance of God, many who have refused to believe anymore because of circumstances or bad influences. This year, many have turned back to God. Many have come back and welcome back, because Emmanuel is coming, and Emmanuel will be there forevermore, and humanity will be there forevermore. No matter what the devil throws at us, or any corporation, how much money they try to make at our expense, human beings will survive. Not just 2020, but 2021, 2022, and so on.
There is this very popular story, the small story, that a teacher asked the children in the school. They were all sitting, and the teacher asked, suppose you're dreaming and your dream is not a good one. It's a scary dream. What will you do? So, children have their innocent answers. Some of them say, I won't go to sleep because, it will be a bad dream. She just says, how will you avoid your bad dream? So they have different ideas. Some says, I will sleep next to my mom. Some say that, I will make arrangements in my room so that it's not scary. I'll keep my light on, etc. And one of them just says that I will open my eye when the dream comes. And that's it. So I think this year has given the people that opportunity to just open your eyes from all of those things that were so delusional in your life.
Yeah.
Yeah? That's all for this reaction. Thank you for watching.